In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a common error while running a PowerShell script. Many of us are facing an error as shown in the screen, that is PowerShell script cannot be loaded because of running scripts is disabled on this system. This kind of error comes when we want to run any PowerShell scripts on a PowerShell. For example, I wanted to run a Node-RED script. Then I was facing this issue. Let me show you again. So if I use Node-RED command, I'll be getting this error that PS1 in this location of this script is not able to run in the PowerShell. So this is because of an issue with PowerShell's execution policy. By default, PowerShell restricts the execution of scripts to protect your system from potentially harmful scripts. So in this video, I'll show you two methods to bypass this. First one is how you can run the script for once and temporarily bypass the execution policy. Second, I'll give you the permanent solution to make the current user execute the scripts without an error. So let's get into the solution right away. First of all, we need to have admin privileges to open the PowerShell in administrator mode. So now I'll open PowerShell and I'll right click here and run as administrator. So now I am able to open in administrator mode. Now as we are going to use the temporary method, I'll copy one code here. So if you see, this is the location of the PS file, that is PowerShell script 1, that file, and I'm giving temporarily to bypass this file. Now it is running this file and successfully opened Node-RED. But this is for only once. Now if you want to do in the second method where you want to have a permanent solution for the existing user, then first we can check what is the get execution policy. So you can run this and you can see it is restricted. So to make this allowed, we need to run a command. Now I have pasted the command. This is the command that will make the current user where he can execute the PowerShell scripts. So now if I have done this, it will be asking yes. So I need to give yes to all, so I can give yay. So now it is accepted, and now again I can use the get execution policy. Now you can see when I run get execution policy, it is shown as remote signed. Previously it was restricted. Now let's run our code. So now the Node-RED is properly working without throwing an error, which means that our bypass policy has worked. So we have set the execution policy correctly. So that's all for today's video. I hope this video has been informative. If yes, please type helpful in the comment section below. Your support means a lot to us and helps us keep creating more content like this. So please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another interesting video.